In this Autodesk Fusion tutorial, we create a circular pattern on this lampshade. Activate Design Shortcuts with keyboard shortcut S and search for Circular Pattern. Once you're in the menu, make sure that you select the right object type. I'll make a circular snowflake pattern, and this pattern is made with a deboss design feature. Therefore, I'll use the feature option. If you intend to make a circular pattern for a face, a body, or a component, then you'd choose another option. You would have to enter the contextual sketch environment first if you want to make a circular pattern for a sketch. Selecting your design feature can be tricky. A bright highlight indicates that you are finding the feature. With your feature selected, proceed and select your axis. You can iterate your Autodesk Fusion circular pattern design and change settings such as quantity, distribution, and more in the circular pattern menu. Press OK and enjoy your work. And a quick pro tip. Save your work before you edit your circular patterns if they are complex and require a lot of computer calculations. I iterated this circular pattern a few times before I 3D printed it, and this is what the final product looks like. Make sure that you investigate the video description for channel-specific offerings and other relevant information. Hit like or subscribe if you learned anything new, and see you soon on another project. Thank you.